Okay, and what's going on everybody? My name is Jaguar and we have a tutorial na naman guys, no? And this tutorial will entitled by the SQL Where clause, alright? So without further ado guys, let's jump into the code, alright? So where clause guys, what do you mean by where clause? So where clause guys is used to filter records. Okay, so where clause is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. Kumbaga, parang if a statement siya, no? Wherein meron tayong conditional or a condition na dapat i-meet para makuha natin yung ating gustong makuha. For example guys, in the previous video, we already knew how to select from a database. Alright, so this is the simple statement of select, no? And we are fetching all the data inside the customers table. Alright, if we are using the where clause guys, after the table, select all from customers table where, and this is where our condition will start. Right, so where, ano yung ating condition? So where, pwede tayong maglagay guys na where name is equals to, pwede natin lagay dito yung Jaguar the Great. Alright, so select, basahin natin ulit guys, no? So we will select record from customers table where the name is Jaguar the Great. Okay, so although we are referring to the asterisk or the all, no, but we are passing the condition which is dapat i-meet ng ating query, and then the output will be all the data but with a specified condition na dapat ang data lang ni Jaguar the Great or whatever na ating ipapasa sa ating parameters or ang ating nilagay na condition. Alright, so pwede nating ilagay na for example, kunin natin yung data na name lamang, age, and then the address. Pwede natin gawin yan guys, no? So basahin natin ulit, and select name column, age column, and address column only from customers table where our condition is the name equals to Jaguar Great. Right, so ayan guys yung ating usage of where clause, no? So try nyo rin guys sa inyo, no? And play with the statements and then the where clause, and if you are passing more conditions, just put and or. Alright, so ganun guys, and that's it guys, and try nyo rin, no? And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos. And once again guys, my name is Jaguar, and let's see you again on the next video.